So just taking a quick look at Vechain on our daily time frame, and as we can see, very much looking like we are basically coming back down into our previous area for a nice little retest. Obviously a lot of altcoins getting smashed down right now, and you can see Vechain here technically coming back inside this big descending wedge that it's been in for some time. Obviously we got that breakout last week of this big resistance that we've been under for a good while. You can see it quite clearly here ever since we were up at around, what we're looking at here, the 5th of March at around 5.5 cents or so. We've been under this resistance, continuously heading downside to the downside, as you can see. But recently, across the whole altcoin market showing signs of life. You can see very clearly on the charts here that recently we've really only been going sideways, not that much downwards price action, going up, going down, having a slightly lower low, but then coming up again and now going down, really just putting in a little bit of a range really, and some sideways action, looking like we are bottoming out for the most part over the past few weeks, as I've been saying for a while now. Those huge bullish divergences coming in at the lows you would expect. We came down, we filled that previous wick here, and we are starting to play out that W double bottom pattern that we've been looking for, and we've seen across the market for quite a few cryptos, Veracity for example, no exception to this. You can see obviously on the charts here for Vechain that we have basically come down, retested into this low with the bullish divergences, had a very nice bullish week over the past few weeks, apart from the past few days here. As you can see, we've obviously come down now to backtest into this area, but overall in this local area making higher highs and higher lows. You can see we came up and closed above this previous high here, although we did get stuck under our 0.23 Fibonacci level, which obviously gives you the indication that we might have a little bit of a retrace. We've come back down into this area, and potentially, which is something that I've been thinking about, we could be looking at an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. You can see shoulder, head, and if we can bounce in this area here, shoulder, and then obviously the neckline being that 0.23, we've already broken our resistance downtrend. So coming back into this area here, this resistance is basically getting super weak at this point, and I would expect probably a bounce and a continuation back to the upside from this local area, unless we see something crazy happen for Bitcoin. But obviously right now just chilling and waiting to see what happens next. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below, sign up to Bybit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well, and like and subscribe for more.